Hello, good morning children. Today I am taking for class 3rd standard, that is subject Hindi. Today I am taking for class 3rd standard subject Hindi, that this is story. This is a story. See a pencil ka antim chitra. Here you'll open page number 2. See the date. Today date is 6/8/2020. The day is Thursday. Here we are reading story. You just listen carefully so that you can remember the story. Here let us start the story. Pencil का अंतिम चित्र. Pencil's last drawing. See here step by step. You see the picture and go on reading after me. भूखे चूहे राजा एक दिन घूम रहे थे उपवन उपवन. उपवन मीन्स गार्डन. कहीं नहीं मिलता था लेकिन भूखे चूहे राजा का मन. कुछ ना मिला पेंसिल ही मिली, चूहे राजा की भांज खिली. भांजी खिली. सोचा आज इसे ही खाऊं, खाकर अपनी भूख मिटाऊं. Who told? The rat told. See in the picture you can see the rat. Here he got the pencil to eat. He was very hungry. He was finding for the food. He did not get anywhere. So that he got the pencil. He saw the pencil and picked the pencil. चूहे ही जैसे ही पेंसिल को उठाया, चूहे जी का मन ललचाया. चूहे के हाथ में आकर पर पेंसिल का मन घबराया. पेंसिल got scared because he was in the hand of the rat. डरती और घबराती पेंसिल हाथ जोड़कर इतना बोली. He joined his hands and he told, मुझे ना खाना, don't eat me. चूहे भैया मुझे ढूंढती होगी मैया. Who told? The pencil told. मुझे ना खाना, चूहे भैया मुझे ढूंढती होगी मैया. My mother is searching for me. Please don't eat me. चूहे ने पर बात ना मानी. करता उतर मनमानी. Means he did his own mind's words. उतर करता था मनमानी. Here he did his own self. दर्द के मारे पेंसिल बोली. छोड़ो भैया ये मनमानी. डोंट ईट मी, प्लीज लिव इट मी. काम एक करने दो मुझे. काम एक करने दो मुझे, फिर जो करना है कर लो. The pencil told, I'll do one work, afterwards you can do what you wish. चित्र बना लूं अंतिम अब मैं. He told, I'll finish my last drawing. चित्र बना लूं अंतिम अब मैं, जी भर कर तुम मुझे कुतरना. कुतरना means eat. चूहा बोला ठीक है, पर तुम बांझ में ही बैठी रहे. बांझ मीन्स क्लॉव्स. चित्र बनाओ अंतिम अपना, बैठी रहो या खड़ी रहो. बैठी रहे या खड़ी रहे. किंतु इतना रखना ध्यान, एक चित्र ही तुम्हें बनाना. See here, you do your last drawing, but only one drawing you do. भूख लगी है बड़े जोर की। आई एम वेरी हंग्री, जल्दी जल्दी है तुमको भी खाना। आई एम हंग्री, आई एम ईगरली वेटिंग टू ईट यू। ठीक है प्यारे चूहे भैया, एक ही चित्र बनाऊंगी। चित्र बनाते ही मैं फिर से बाँचे में आ जाऊंगी। पेंसिल लगी बनाने चित्र। चूहे जी कुछ जान ना पाए। ही डिड नॉट कम टू नो वॉट ही इज ड्राइंग। पेंसिल की चतुराई को तो चूहे जी पहचान ना पाए। ही डिड नॉट know that what pencil is drawing. The pencil was very smart. He started drawing the drawing. The pencil was very smart. कभी कभी कितनी पेंसिल गोले, कभी खींचती पेंसिल गोले, कभी बनाती कई रेखा। See, गोले मीन्स सर्कल, रेखा मीन्स लाइन। कभी खींचती पेंसिल गोले, कभी बनाती कोई रेखा। छिपा था जो गोले रेखा में, चूहे जी ने वह ना देखा। बिल्ली का जब चित्र बनाया, the cat did not come to know that what the pencil is drawing. He was drawing circles and the lines also. Then he was seeing just, he did not come to know what he is drawing. बिल्ली का जब चित्र बनाया तो चूहे जी घबराए। बिल्ली का जब चित्र बनाया तो देख के चूहे जी घबराए। He became afraid. He was afraid. छोड़ के पेंसिल झटपट भागे। He was frightened and he ran away. झटपट means fast, फटाफट। बिल्ली आपके खाना जाए, बिल्ली आपको खाना जाए। He ran away. He thought that the cat what he drew was that the cat might not eat it. He thought that the cat would eat him. He ran away fast. Here we told the story about the cat, the rat and the pencil. Here the moral of the story is, with intelligence we can solve our problems. With our intelligence we can solve our problems. Here translation of the chapter in English. A hungry little mouse one day was roaring through a garden in dismay. Hungry little mouse tried here and there, but did not feel good anywhere. Nothing but a pencil got. The little mouse, was bright and merry. Let me eat it today. He began to ponder, and after eating satisfied my hunger. As soon as the pencil he picked, his mouth began to water. In the hands of greedy mouse, the pencil felt great fear. Pencil began nervous and frightened, folded hands, and requested, "Oh mouse brother, don't eat me. My mother must be looking for me." The mouse turned a fat ear and kept on nibbling without any fear. In pain, the pencil cried, "Oh brother, don't be foolish. Let me do one thing and then nibble as much as you wish. Let me draw the picture last, then to your heart's content chew me fast. It is right, dear pencil, but in my claws you lie still. Make your last drawing sitting or standing. Just keep one thing in mind, you can make only one drawing. I am feeling too hungry and have to eat you in a hurry. Only one drawing I will make, don't worry dear brother. As soon as I finish the drawing in your claws, I will appear. Pencil started making the drawing. Mr. Mouse could understand nothing. Pencil's wisdom and quickness, even after looking he could not guess. Pencil started to draw a circle and their lines. Mouse did not see that was hidden in the circle and the line. Cat picture was completed and Mr. Mouse was worried. He left the pencil and ran fast, let the cat should eat him as breakfast. Today we thought in the lesson about the story the mouse, the rat and the pencil. Here in this story we learned how intelligent is the pencil. See here the rat was waiting to eat the pencil. With his intelligence he thought that he would draw a picture. Then he started drawing a picture, the cat's picture he started to draw. Seeing that picture, he ran away from there. Then he thought that the cat may eat him. In this story, with the pencil intelligence, he saved his life. Then here we have to see the picture and we can read the story. Here today I finish this story. Tomorrow shall we start the next. Thank you.